If you're new to cryptocurrency and wondering where to start, this video breaks down the top 5 crypto exchanges for beginners, along with their pros and cons. First, Binance is the largest exchange with low fees, a huge variety of coins, and both advanced and beginner-friendly modes, though it may feel overwhelming at first and isn't fully available in every country. Second, Coinbase is perfect for beginners with its clean interface and strong security, but it has higher fees and a more limited coin selection. Third, Kraken is a secure and reliable platform with low fees and fiat support, though its interface may seem a bit technical. Fourth, kucoin is great for exploring altcoins with plenty of features and fewer restrictions, but it's not licensed everywhere and may be a bit complex. Lastly, Bitstamp is a long-standing, beginner-friendly exchange with a solid reputation, though it offers fewer coins and tools. Choose based on your location, needs, and comfort level. And remember, this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Like and subscribe for more simple crypto guides.